In the world of cleaning, there are so many different schedules that you can follow. You know, here on the channel, I always show the zone cleaning schedule, but I also want to venture into task cleaning. Okay, let's get busy. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and into my home. Now we're going to be breaking down a weekly task cleaning schedule versus the zone cleaning schedule. Now while we do this, you're going to be following me as I do my daily morning and evening routines. Now no matter what schedule you follow, you really should be incorporating a solid morning and evening routine. This is going to help reset and maintain your home on a daily basis. Now in my opinion, consistently resetting your home throughout the day is going to minimize the amount of stress and overwhelm by messes that are stacking up. Now, I know what you young moms are thinking as you watch me, the empty nester, telling you, the very busy mom of active kids, how to add more onto your plates. But trust me, I have been there, I've done that, and I followed a very good schedule to keep me sane during all of those stressful years. And let me further add that these cleaning schedules are not about being perfect. This is about helping to maintain in an environment that you and your family feel peaceful in. Okay, so I just reset my bedroom. Now I'm going to come in here in the bathroom. I'm going to put away all the things that I used for my hair, my skincare, all of that. Get the counters wiped down, wipe off any spots on the mirrors, take out the trash if it needs to be taken out, and then I will let my robot vacuum come in here and vacuum for me. So, weekly task cleaning involves assigning specific cleaning tasks to each day of the week. So each day is dedicated to tackling a particular type of cleaning. This is ensuring that all the major cleaning tasks are completed, by the end of the week. You can break this down into 7 days a week, or you can do 5 days a week, whichever you want to do. I tend to do 6 days a week, and then on Sunday I rest or reset, get the house reset for Monday. Anyways, okay, so some of the examples is like Monday, you can do dusting and wiping down all the surfaces. Tuesday, you can vacuum and mop all the floors. Wednesday, you can clean all the bathrooms. Thursday, maybe do your kitchen deep clean. And on Fridays, do your laundry. You can also change your bedding, linens, things like that. On Saturday, you can organize and declutter. Only on Saturday, organize and declutter your spaces. And on Sunday, you can rest and do any catch up of the tasks that you missed during the week. Over the years, I have added some task cleaning into my daily cleaning tasks. So like on Monday, I do my power hour. And on Tuesday, I plan, that's my planning day, and I also clean out the refrigerator, okay? Wednesday, I do my errands, and I also grocery shop and go and clean my car. So if I'm driving, I might as well do all those things. And on Thursday is what I call plants, pets, and parents. I take care of my plants. I go and I take care of all my pet stuff that needs to be done, clean their bedding, things like that. And then I also take some special time to connect with all of my kids. I don't sit and talk to them about the grandkids. I want to talk to them about them and their lives and what they're doing and things like that. So I designate that on Thursdays. On Fridays is when I do my zone cleaning. And on Saturdays is when I take care of the yard, the garden, things like that. And then on Sundays, we rest, church, go to Costco, things like that, just to get ready for the week. I like to do my zone cleaning on Friday because that way I have a nice clean area on Fridays. Now, I might be switching things around because I kind of like the idea of vacuuming the whole house on one day and then maybe mopping the whole house on one day. That would make my power hour a little easier. Now, if you don't already have my weekly cleaning schedule, go ahead and send me an email asking for the weekly cleaning schedule. I will send that to you. I'll also include a playlist of videos that's going to help you to fill out your cleaning schedule. I broke my zone cleaning down to 7 tasks. This is going to have you cleaning everything from the ceiling all the way down to the floor. You can do 1 a day, or you can go ahead and do like I do and do all 7 in one day. Okay, I forgot to mention that I go ahead and I put the mats up, and then I let the Roomba go ahead and come in here and vacuum. I used to use a smaller stick vacuum in here, but I gave that to my mother-in-law. So I let Roomba come in here and vacuum, and he's already done vacuuming here in the bedroom. So this is how I keep the carpets nice and tidy in between those deeper vacuums.
I'm on an island in your room. You're like the sky sand behind the blue. I'm thinking about you, and I'm thinking about you. All the things we could do if I was sober enough. And so you met my friend. This party's not that amazing. Your friends are skin and bones. She can never replace me. How your kiss looks kinda gross. Guess I'm acting crazy, but I can't hold it back. They don't know how it feels. I'm the best you'll never have. The best you'll never have. Next day, first I regret it. Had to find a cure for my headaches. I went out walking with my pug. Saw my crush with his ex. Oh my god. Now that it's over, I love my hangover, and nobody's here to mess up. I'm free. This party's not that amazing. Your friends are skin and bones. She can never replace me. How your kiss looks kinda gross. Guess I'm acting crazy, but I can't hold it back. They don't.
Bethany has gotten into the hobby of making sourdough bread, so she's been making me a loaf too, and oh my goodness, is it delicious. Put a little smashed avocado on there with some olive oil and a little bit of salt, pepper, and I also do red pepper flakes, and oh my goodness, delicious.
I see through your eyes. They tell me little lies. How you forgot. He was my only crush. Now you're acting a little crazy. Just face a simple fact. He was never in love. And we're the best he'll never have. The best you'll never have. The best you'll never have. We're the best you'll never have. We're the best you'll never have. We're the best you'll never have. I'm the best you'll never have.
After I clean my coffee pot, I go ahead and I fill up the coffee maker with water, and I get everything set up to make coffee for tomorrow. Since I'm already, cleaning the coffee maker, cleaning the coffee pot, all of that, I might as well just go ahead and do the extra step of getting it ready for tomorrow. So that's the reason why I do that. This right here is my little vacuum that I like to use to clean up any of the grounds and things like that tend to get everywhere. They just fly around. So anyways, I like to go ahead and clean all that up. And again, I'm just preparing the coffee maker for tomorrow morning. I just set a timer on it, and it goes off at 6:30 in the morning, and then I'm ready for the day. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to fill the empty dishwasher with our morning dishes. And throughout the day, when we eat lunch, things like that, all the dishes go into this dishwasher. Then at night, when it's dinner time, all those dishes go into the dishwasher, and then I wash them, and I repeat this in the morning. So tomorrow morning I'll get back up and I will go in there, or go in here, and do the dishes. And then, like in my bedroom, I have a robot vacuum here in the main part of my home. And I go ahead and I launch this every single morning, and he helps to keep my home maintained in between deeper vacuums throughout the home. So every morning I will come in here and I will empty out its bin. This is from yesterday morning. Yeah, that's how you say it. This is from yesterday morning. And then, so I clean it out, and then I start and launch him, and he maintains my home. This really helps. If you can afford a robot vacuum, this is the way to go. This one actually mops as well. I would link it. However, they are no longer selling it. They have updated models, and they're not using this model anymore, which I don't know why, because it's a fantastic model. I did get this free, as I showed it on my channel to you guys, and I actually really do love it. This is the Yeti. If you want to go look them up, you can see they have different models. Okay, so my final task in my morning routine is to pull out what we're going to have for dinner. I like to use the Meal Lime app. This really helps streamline what is on my menu. And it also populates a grocery list for me. So I really like that. Meals are always good. It has preferences that you can set it to and all that. Okay, so now we're getting into my evening routine. I'm finishing up the dishes. I like to clean as I cook. So a lot of the pans and things like that I used have already been cleaned and put in the dishwasher. What you're seeing is the other things, when we actually ate, things like that, our plates, our bowls, forks, spoons, all that is what you're seeing me do. Then I just start that dishwasher, and everything will be ready in the morning. All right, so let's continue talking about task cleaning versus zone cleaning. Okay, so to recap, with task cleaning, you are doing a larger task, one a day. You see what I'm saying? So you're going to be doing all the floors. You'll be vacuuming and mopping all the floors, not just in a zone. You're going to be dusting and cleaning the surfaces throughout the whole house, not just in your zone. Okay, so you're breaking it down one a day, and you're getting a lot accomplished in that day. I can see how this would be a benefit. Like I said, I like to add some of this into my daily tasks. This helps to, keep my house maintained and cleaned. If you don't know, I do have 19 grandkids, and I have at least 2 or 3 over at my house on any given day. So my house does get a little poopy, and I like to be able to keep it clean and maintained and all that. Not perfect, just clean and maintained. Okay, so now let's define what zone cleaning is. So with zone cleaning, you're breaking your house up into zones, and then once a week, or let's start this. Once a week, you can do the tasks that are in that zone. So you're cleaning everything from the ceiling down to the floor. I told you that I broke the task down into 7. You can also divide that up to where you have 1 task a day. So you can break the zone cleaning into 1 task a day, or you can do like I do. We talked about this before. Do like I do and do it all in one day. I do mine on Fridays. So your zones can be like your kitchen and your dining areas, your living room, your hallways, your bedrooms, your bathrooms and laundry room, and all that. So divide it up into, however many zones that you have. I personally have 6 in my home, and this helps to keep my house clean. Okay, so what are the benefits of zone cleaning? Well, this is going to allow you to, deep clean and organize each room. Okay, so in that week, you're going to be in that one room, you're going to deep clean, and you're going to organize in that room. And it's also going to, ensure that no area is being neglected, especially over time. We tend to neglect certain areas, and this will help you to not neglect certain areas. And it can be more thorough than task cleaning is, because you're focusing on that one room. So as you can see, there are benefits to each of them. And you can also see how it would be nice to go ahead and incorporate both of them throughout your week. Whatever your time allots. That's what it's mainly about, is just, helping to maintain your home. So that way you have a nice space to, raise your kids, spend time with your husband, invite your grandkids over and spend time with them. Okay, so we're finishing up my night routine. As you see, I am closing the shutters, getting the house ready for night. Everything is put in its place. It's going to feel good to get into that bed tonight. I'm going to be relaxing. Before I do that, I like to relax. But, all right, I'm going to clean out the vacuum. I go ahead and do this at night. And that way I can just launch it in the morning. I know I do it the opposite in the other room, but in here I do this at night. And that way in the morning it's all ready for me to just push that button and it will go. And one of my final tasks that I do in the evening, and this is something that I do for myself, is I like to end the evening by getting in my closet and pulling out what I'm going to be wearing tomorrow. This is just a little love to myself, a little something that I like to do, so that way I'm all prepared for the morning. So that's the end of this video. If you liked it, would you please give me a big thumbs up? And if you haven't already subscribed, I hope that you'll click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you get reminded every time I post a new video. All right, I'll see you again next Sunday. Until then, stay blessed, my friends.